Sign my name on the dotted line. A boy with dreams, a heart to shine. I left the fields, the rusted gate, for foreign sands and a soldier's fate. I fought their wars, I wore their scars, chased battles under distant stars. I gave my all, I stood so brave. Now I ask who my burden saved. Will my country, my old friend, stand by me until the end? The nights are long, the silence loud. I miss the flash, I miss the crowd. But in this town, where time moves slow, my service feels like a shadow's glow. The medals gleam, but they can't heal the wounds this heart can't help but feel. I gave my